everybody, Ms. Dietrich here. We're taking a look at question number 4. What number is not part of the solution set to the inequality below? And they give you this. Well, we're going to solve this the same way we would if this were an equal sign. We'll apply the inverse operation. What's the opposite of subtract 10 from a variable? It's add 10. We do that to both sides of the inequality to keep it balanced just the same way we would if it were an equation. These two things would cancel out. Bring down the W, carefully copy the symbol, which is the less than or equal to symbol, and add 16 plus 10, and we get 26. All right, let's use this number line here, and I'm just going to put it over here a little bit because I think it'll help some of you to realize a few things about the values that are in the answer choices. If we plot, let's plot it over here. We'll do a closed circle, and we'll put the number 26. And let's ask ourselves, how do we read this? We read this as W is less than or equal to 26. So that means 26 is part of the solution set because 26 would be equal to 26. Now if we're going to shade, we have to shade to the left because all the values to the left would be less than. Now if we think of the actual integers, which would be the positive, values and their opposites, the next one that would be over here would be 27. This notch right here, which it's a little tight for me to write it in, but I'll put it down here, would be 27. And this notch right here would be 28. And if we think about what would this be, this would be 25. This would be 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. All right, so I'll just put an 18 here just to get our bearings. Now, if we think about which is not part of the solution set, the ones that are not in the highlighted region that are in this answer choice, we can clearly see that 27 is not shaded in. So that's going to be your answer, but let's make sure that these would fall. All of these would fall on the red line. If we were to continue this number line and keep going to numbers that are less than 18, eventually these numbers would also fall on the red line because remember this is a continuation, continues to the left. All right, so hopefully you found this video helpful.